Coding for hardware. A very simple way to describe coding is typing of orders or instructions for what you want machines or devices to do. These instructions are usually referred as commands or lines of code. Code is the language that machines and devices can understand. Code translates how we speak as humans into languages that machines and devices can interpret. Just like human languages, there are many coding languages. Embedded C programming is like soul of the processor functioning inside each and every embedded system that we come across in our daily life, such as mobile phone, washing machine, etc. The first and foremost thing is the embedded software. Embedded software decides the functioning of the embedded system. The most frequently used programming language in microcontroller is embedded C. Embedded C is generally an extension of C language. They are more or less similar. However, there are some differences exist. C is generally used for desktop computers, while embedded C is for microcontroller based application. C can use the resources of desktop PC like memory, OS, etc. While embedded C has to use the limited resources such as RAM, ROM of an embedded processor. Embedded C includes extra features over C such as fixed point types, multiple memory areas, etc. Software development. Software development is the process of developing a software, and it is made up of various elements like writing computer code, which is known to be program, documenting the code, testing, fixing the errors, and maintaining the code. Embedded software development. Embedded software development is like developing software for an embedded system, and it typically involves designing or interfacing with the hardware. For development of software, we require some basic tools like editor, compiler, assembler, and debugger. Editor to write the program, compiler to compile a program, assembler to convert high level language to assembly level, and debugger to execute the program. Next, the software development cycle. The software development cycle consists of the following steps. First, planning, and then designing, then implementing the code, and then testing it and evaluating whether it meets our specifications or not, and then finally debugging. Requirements of software for embedded system. First, the software should be more reliable because human interpretation cannot be possible for error handlings for long time. So the software should be more reliable, it should be cost effective, and it should be low power consuming, and it should occupy less memory, and the performance should be good.